India is planning to ban cryptocurrencies. The government reportedly wants to fine anyone trading or holding the digital assets. Now, if the ban becomes law, India will be the first major economy to make holding cryptocurrencies illegal. Crypto transaction volumes are swelling in India. It's estimated about 8 million investors are holding $1.4 billion in crypto investments. For more, we're joined by Nirgunan Tiruchelvam from Tellimer. Thanks for joining us. Now, first things first, what do you think is behind India's plans to ban crypto?
Well, you need to put it into the context of an ongoing battle between the Bitcoin activists and the regulators in India. In 2018, the Reserve Bank of India basically banned cryptocurrency, and this was overruled by the Supreme Court in March 2020. Since then, there's been an upsurge in trading of Bitcoin and other forms of cryptocurrency in India, as well as a massive surge in the price of Bitcoin in that country. In this context, the government seems to be intent on closing down certain aspects of cryptocurrency trading. And in fact, according to the reports that you have cited, it's a very severe ban that the government is contemplating. The true exact shape of these regulations remains to be seen.
Well, how is banning cryptocurrencies going to help India's central bank when it launches its own digital currency?
That is a vital question. You need to look at this in the context of the massive surge in the price of Bitcoin in 2021. In this year alone, Bitcoin has risen 81%. The total market capitalization of Bitcoin is approaching $1 trillion. Hence, viewing Bitcoin as a store of value along the lines of gold or silver in a previous age does not lend us with a lot of confidence. We do not see it as a store of value given the intense volatility. Hence, many regulators, not just the Reserve Bank of India, may view cryptocurrencies' volatility as a potential risk, and their efforts to set up their own forms of cryptocurrency needs to be viewed within this context.
Right. So what would be the impact of a ban on crypto prices?
It's difficult to contemplate what the exact impact of the ban in India would be on an industry which has now a market capitalization of nearly $1 trillion. The trading in India is, according to some estimates, less than 10% or possibly even 5% of the total trading in the world. Hence, it's unlikely to dampen the investor enthusiasm for this. But what needs to be made clear is that there are some regulators, namely Singapore and South Korea, that regulate cryptocurrencies in a transparent manner. And it is conceivable that other jurisdictions could take on the same regulatory framework that these very progressive countries have adopted. And possibly this could be a prelude for a global framework through which individual countries regulate the cryptocurrency economy.
Well, thank you for your insights there, Nirgunan Tiruchelvam from Tellimer.